Is that my name? Click. Good morning.
I'm back.
Did you have a good sleep?
It's Jessica.
Yeah, she's sleeping. Do you want to get up though?
Yeah, I'm my sheep.
Is that your sheep? Oh, cool. Cool sheep, little buddy.
I don't have a baby toy.
Oh, the tiny baby too. What are we bringing all these with us downstairs?
And a baby.
And a blankie. Holy cow! How am I going to carry all this?
I don't know.
I
Okay,
don't know.
boys.
Oh, thanks. Oh, thanks. You just give me everything out of the bed?
Mama, monkey boys. I'm monkey boys.
Okay, almost. Okay, I got the monkey, got the sheep, got the tiny baby. Am I bringing the duck?
Yeah.
Okay.
Uh,
And what are you cleaning the place out for? Are you moving out? Okay, get the book. And now I gotta get you? I don't have any room for you. I'm holding all your stuff. Can I put some of this stuff down so I can pick you up? We'll put the duck down there. We'll put the book down there.
No, this.
Monkey.
Here go, stay.
Really?
Here go.
Wow. You do not travel lightly. Don't climb on that, please. Do you want to get out?
Yeah, I guess.
Okay, I'll get you. Let me turn the camera off. Say bye-bye, camera.
Bye.